And good morning everybody. Today you join me at a country house and today we are tennis court cleaning. Here we go. I'm guessing a tennis court is a standard size. I don't do many. But let's go and take a look. Bit of a state. An easy job, but there's a lot of it. So we've got the X-Jet, which we shall be pre-treating with. Blow all the leaves off with the blower. And then we'll use the surface cleaner to do the work. Fabulous water tech. So with this, what I do with this one is I always go around the sides first, just to clean up the concrete. And then the surface cleaner gets everything else. I expect to be here all day. The water pressure is quite low on this, so I've got a tap coming from the house and I've got another tap from the barn. But it's filthy, look at it. This would be quite slippy as well. So very easy to drop your balls if you're playing on this sort of surface. Look at it, look. Blimey. Anyway, that's the gist of the job, folks. I'm going to get a cup of tea. I think my tanks are filling up. Let's have a look.
even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly my phone is ringing. I can hear my boss shouting at me. You know what? He wants me to hurry, but I will not control my feet. Oh no. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Now that I'm hearing all these wonderful songs in my head, ooh, I'm singing and dancing, I love it. I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah. My phone is ringing again, again and again. My boss is really mad at me. Yeah, yeah. He wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. No, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work.
I love the sun. I love the sun.
It is so sweet under the sun.
Alright.
I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work.
I feel so good around you.
Okay, that's the tennis court all finished. 648 square metres done today. This side's a lot drier than this side. But there we go, we're done. Let's have a little run round. And another job done. Lovely job. Right, I'll see you on the next job. Thanks for watching. Cheers.